Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to connect a domain name with hosting plan. I guess you have seen my previous video where we have learned how to search for a good domain name and then how to purchase a domain name and then how to purchase a hosting plan. So I guess you have purchased your domain name and hosting plan. Now the next step is to connect the both, right, a domain name with the hosting plan, so that we can install WordPress on the domain name which is connected with your hosting plan or storage, right? So that particular thing we will learn in the next video. For right now we are going to learn how to add a domain name in your hosting plan. So as you can see, I am into GoDaddy and I have already purchased the domain name and hosting plan. So now we are at the GoDaddy homepage, and here this is the profile icon. We will simply click on this, and now I will go into my products, where whatever the domain name or hosting plan that you have purchased are stored, right, in our products, in my products, right? So all products and services, as you can see, I have purchased many domain name, right, and we are into the hosting plan. And when we come to the hosting plan, then we need to click on manage. Okay, let me sign in my GoDaddy account again. Okay, we are here at our hosting, right? And now we just need to visit the control panel admin, right? Control panel is somewhat from where we can manage our resources. I guess you have heard about the control panel before also, like whenever we uninstall any program from our computer, then we just need to visit the control panel. In similar way, a hosting also have its own control panel from where you can control your resources, right? So we just need to visit the control panel admin. Okay, we are into our CPanel, right? CPanel of GoDaddy, and here you need to scroll down. You need to search for the domain section, right? In the domain section you will get an option of domains, right? You need to just simply click on it, and here you need to click on create a new domain. Okay, we have clicked on create a new domain, and here we will simply enter the domain name which we want to connect, right? So I have simply entered the domain name which I want to connect with this hosting plan, right? So here it is asking me whether you want to create a subdomain, right? Okay, so I am interested in creating the subdomain, so I will simply click on submit, and my domain name would be added in my hosting plan, right? This process is generally for those who have already connected a domain name as a primary domain in the hosting plan and have bought a new domain name and is connecting with their hosting plan, right? Okay, so I have connected the domain name with the hosting plan. So this is how you can simply connect your domain name with your hosting plan. If you have purchased your GoDaddy domain and hosting from GoDaddy, then it's good. If you have not purchased your domain name and hosting plan from GoDaddy, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned the GoDaddy link over there. Just visit that link and you can purchase your domain name and hosting plan for your website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in the video description. Kindly check out our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the digital marketing course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.